What's up guys, welcome back to another quick video. On the previous video I went ahead and installed the headlights, the high beams on my 2012 Mitsubishi Lancer, and on this video I'm gonna go ahead and install the same ones, but instead of the 9005, this is the 9006 HB4, and these are gonna be the low beams, and this is gonna be super fast and easy, and this is for a 2012 Mitsubishi Lancer. It should be the same for all 9th gen Lancers. Let me show you how it's done. But before I do that, please go ahead and consider subscribing. Also turn the notification bell on if you haven't done so. If you want to support the channel, link down in the description. Let's get right into it. So for the low beams, in this case, it's gonna be much easier. I don't know how well you guys can see, but right here is, it doesn't have a dust cover, so all you gotta do is twist it out and the light comes right out like that. Really simple, and all you gotta do is take it out just like you did on the other ones. Pull the little clip up and the light should pop right out. At this point, you're gonna get your new LED. Again, these are also Auxitos. They did not send me this. I actually had to pay for this. However, if you wanna get 15% off of these lights, you can use the code MTBAlexLED and the link in the affiliate link description below. Check it out and you'll see you can get these lights for cheaper than usual. Again, these lights comes, this one doesn't have a fan like the other one did, but it does come really heavy duty, and it's just plug and play. So what I'm gonna do now is just plug it in there, twist it on, and it should be good to go. Like I said, this one, just plug it in. Check this out. From here you'll be able to see where it clips in, and it's just much easier than the actual high beam. Boom, and you're done. That's it for that side, and you do the same thing for the other side. Again, you can probably see it right here. Twist it out, comes right out. Might want to actually take the clip off first. Take it out, comes right out. This one, it was a little bit tighter, that's why I just unclipped it first, put it in. By the way, it has those little grooves. It has 3 little tabs, and it goes into the slot right here. Once they're in the slot, they'll push in. It's getting good there, right, good to go. Push the clip back in, and that will take care of that. Let me show you how it looks now. That's the low beam, high beam, fog lights. So pretty drastic change. I'm gonna take this for a spin and show you the end result at night. So that's how you install the low beams on the Mitsubishi Lancer. This is a 9th generation Mitsubishi Lancer. This is the GT model. I'm pretty sure the ES is gonna be the same thing. As long as you don't have projector headlights on your Mitsubishi Lancer, the 9th generation, the 9006 HB4 should fit this application. Again, you can find an affiliate link below, and you can use the code MTBAlexLED to get an additional 15% off your order. Make sure you check them out. Again, that was how it looked at night. It looks actually pretty darn good, and that's gonna be it for this one. Again, for the low beam, it was pretty simple. You don't have a dust cover, so you just pop them off, put it in, pop it back off, and you should be done in 3 minutes. Other than that, I hope that you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't, please go ahead and subscribe and turn the notification bell on. That is gonna be it for this one, and I'll see you on the trails. Goodbye. Let's ride.